Alright guys, this my claw right here is going to represent your red safety hook. We're just going to put it in this first little divot of your pulley. We have a couple riding positions today. This is the invisible chair. It's the way that your harness automatically makes you sit in. If you want to catch some speed, you can do the wrecking ball. It's kind of like a cannonball in there where you just lean back a little bit, your legs up to your chest. We have a couple hand positions today. What do you guys think this means? Keep on coming.
Come.
And then this means break. And how are y'all both right-handed? Alright, so your left hand is going to go on top of your pulley that acts as your steering wheel. So if you start turning for any reason, you can use that hand on your pulley to help steer you back in the right direction. And your right hand's going to go on your ropes, and once you get that braking signal, you're going to take your hand off of your ropes, behind your head, flat on the line, and apply pressure. If you grab the cable, that's like an e-brake that's going to stop you. It won't feel good. So it should look something like this. Like I said, you don't want to grab it or pull your arm out a little bit. We do have a common sense clause, so if you don't make it all the way, or if your guide's not giving you your braking signal, you can brake at your own discretion. All of our lines are U-shaped, so if you don't make it all the way to the platform, you will sink out to the middle, so he's going to yell, grab the cable. And what you're going to do, you're just going to grab both sides, and then turn your back towards them, and hand over hand to the platform. But if you guys don't want to do that, you'll pay good money to be out here, so we'll come get you guys. That's not a problem.
On our course, we have something called a closed continuous delay system. In simple terms, that just means once you get on the line, you're not getting off until you reach ground again. On your red safety hooks, you have a gap. That's going to help you get past these plates that are within the course. You'll be threading on that tower right over there. It'll look something like this. You come to this plate. You want to make sure your gap is even with the plate, so that way you can get past it pretty simply. Right here's what's going to look like when you are about to go across the line. You're going to bring your hook up here, have it flat with the plate, bring it up to the sky, bring it across. It's the same thing, but in reverse when you're getting off. Phase it to the sky, drop it down. Throughout the course, you can either hold your rope or you can let it go and let it follow you. As long as your rope is still with you, then you're all good. Over here, we have something called a directional plate or an X plate. Now these look pretty tough, but they're also very simple to get through. What you need to do is you need to face your gap away from the opposite direction of where you want to go. So for example, I'm going to come through this way, which means that I'm going to face my gap towards the road. So that's going to help me swing across the middle, come down, and exit simply like that. If you guys want to try this yourself, you can.
Three.
That's enough.
Okay, am I ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Hello everyone, we just did Zipline adventures in Guntersville, Alabama. Hope you liked the video and I'll talk to you soon.